Good day, Ma'am Marisa. My name is Nashley S. Bautista from BSHM 2C. So, for today's video, I will answer 3 questions regarding the social media and freedom of speech. So, first question. Do you think that people should use social media in exercising their freedom of speech? So, for me, yes. Because in social media, we can easily share our opinions, thoughts, and ideas. It's very easy for us to post, comment, or react sa iba't iba nitong platforms. But I believe that as a person, we need to know our limitations. We can use it to practice our freedom of speech, but we need to be mindful and make sure na wala po tayong nasisiraang tao or kaya naman is hindi tayo nag-spread ng mga false information. Second question. What should be the limits of freedom of speech in social media? For me, while everyone has the freedom to post whatever they want sa mga kanilang accounts sa iba't ibang social media platforms, kailangan po nilang matutunan na hindi nila ito dapat gamitin sa pag-spread ng false information, pangbubuli, pagbibigay ng threats, pagpo-post ng sexual content, at pag-i-invade ng privacy. Naniniwala po ako na kung matututunan to na lahat ng tao na gumagamit ng social media world will be a safe place for all para makapagsalita na mga gusto nilang sabihin. So, third question. As a student, how will you use social media to ensure that you do not propagate inaccurate and unreliable information? So, as a student, and based on my experience, ginagamit ko po yung social media responsibly. One example is yung pagiging maingat sa pag-share ng mga information online. Yung pag-check muna kung galing ba yung info na yun sa reliable source or like yung mga official websites, yung mga verified accounts, ayan. So, ayun, sa pamamagitan po ng pagiging maingat sa pag-post and pag-share nito, makakatulong po ako sa pagpe-prevent ng spread ng false information and harmful content. Yun lang po. Thank you!